Y'all can check me. I don't care if y'all are male, bro.
We got plenty of female officers around to do that.
I'm good, bro.
Female officers around to do that.
I'm good, bro. Check me. I don't care. I'm giving authorization to you. I've been in the legal field.
When cops pulled over what they thought was just another erratic driver, they didn't expect her to be a stripper with a flair for flirting and a trunk full of secrets. From dodging sobriety tests to openly inviting officers to search her, this woman takes getting out of a ticket to a whole new level.
When was the last time you did exercise?
Like maybe a couple months ago.
Okay. No longer than that.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, sorry. What's up?
You said you were coming from dancers?
Yes,
you
I admit to it. I'm sorry.
Okay. What time did you get off with dancers?
11.
11?
It's an hour and a half away.
You got off at 11? It's 10:23 right now. Really?
Oh, well, I was supposed to get off at 11, but no, I live in Lake Mary, so.
Okay. Where's dancers at?
Cocoa Beach.
Cocoa Beach, that's far.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
So how long have you been driving for?
I'm not in the dancers in Orlando. In Cocoa. Sorry.
How long have you been driving for? You said.
I left. I was supposed to get off at 11, but I got off a little bit later.
You mean a little bit earlier?
King Lake? Yes, sorry. You can search the car if you want to.
I mean, I was just looking.
No, it's okay.
I thought maybe you had a puppy back there or something.
No, I have a daughter. I have a puppy too. That's why the seat down.
Gotcha.
Okay.
But,
did you have anything to drink while
no, I'm 19.
You're 19?
I cannot drink at the strip club, nothing.
Nothing?
No.
You sure?
Don't get on my eyelashes, bro.
The light will hurt your eyelashes?
No, but they falling off.
From the lights?
No, they've been falling off.
With glazed eyes and slurred words, it didn't take long for the officers to realize she wasn't just sleep deprived. Let's just say her last refreshment didn't come from a water fountain. So they offered her a chance to showcase her moves in a classic roadside sobriety test.
Oh, they look like they're okay right now, though.
Are you comfortable doing these sobriety exercises with us?
Yeah, I don't care.
Okay. Just step out. We'll do it right in this parking lot over here.
We got to make sure that you're safe out there.
Let me go grab my clipboard so I can. You don't have shoes?
She's got some flats.
They're in the bag.
I mean, if.
Studios, 210 for unit 128.
It's fine.
1017.
What's going to be more comfortable, barefoot or the flats?
Whatever, I'm fine.
Well, I'm asking you because I want you to perform the best that you can. So if it's
I'm fine right now.
You're fine doing this barefoot?
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
Okay.
It's just cold, so let's hurry this up.
Well, hold on. We're gonna start.
I'm cold.
Okay. We're gonna start right here. All right. Do you wear any glasses or contacts?
I do.
You do? Are you wearing contacts right now?
No.
No. How bad is your vision? Like, are you able to?
I mean, I can see, but I'm sorry, I'm chilling, but I'm cold.
Okay. You're gonna.
Let's just walk in a straight line, and I'll be good.
Well, that's not even. I haven't even told you the exercise that I'm doing yet. So you gotta.
I'm cold.
Okay. I mean, just give me 10 minutes of your time.
Okay.
Okay.
We're fine. Yes, I can walk in a straight line. What do you want to do? Count from?
Hold on. I didn't tell you that's what we're gonna do yet.
I know, but I know how the police is.
Okay. Well, let me do what I'm gonna do, and then we can go from there. Okay. So, like I said, you said you don't wear any contacts. Is your vision?
I do. I wear contacts.
I mean, I'm sorry. You said you wear contacts, but is your vision?
It's bad.
It's bad.
But I can.
Are you able to see my finger? From this.
It's like a little.
Is it blurry?
Blurry, yeah. But I can.
I mean, would you be able to follow?
Yeah.
Follow with my.
I can see it.
Okay. So I'm gonna check your eyes. So I know you said it's cold, but you gotta stand with your feet together and arms by your side for the exercise. That's how most of the exercises are gonna be. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're gonna
look at my fucking legs.
I'm sorry. I mean, I wish I could have gave you a jacket. Okay. But so like I said, we're gonna check your eyes. You're gonna stand with feet together, hands by your side. You're gonna follow this pen of your eyes and nothing.
With the light?
Excuse me?
Is there a light?
There's no light. Okay. But you're not gonna move your head, so just follow with your eyes. Don't move your head, okay? Don't move your head.
Am I allowed to blink?
Yeah, you can blink.
Okay.
All you gotta do is follow the pen of your eyes. You don't need to.
I'm sorry, I'm fucking cold.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Now getting a call from the traffic manager for one.
On the back, like this.
Just keep your hands by your side. See how I'm standing?
Come on,
just like this.
Like this.
Hands by your sides. That's just like that. Okay. Just follow with your eyes. Now move your head.
No, nothing. It was warm when I left. I'm from Detroit. I just moved here, so it's...
Oh, I figure you think this is warm then.
No, it's not, though. Like, my niece is crazy. And look, from the club.
The bathroom from the cold?
The club.
Oh, the club?
Yeah.
Did you fall or something?
No, I had my birthday there, and then I went on stage in the night, and I scraped my whole fucking knee.
Wow.
Yeah.
So the line's gonna be what you use for the exercise.
I know,
You think,
I already know.
I'm just let me
On my
explain.
side, black in a straight line.
Can I explain it to you?
Go ahead.
Okay. So this is
It's cold.
You think this is pretty straight, right?
It is.
Yeah,
It's a little crooked right there, but
relatively flat. I know we're kind of on an incline. So, I mean, for the most part, this is a straight line. And that's what we're going to be using for this entire exercise, okay? So, for this one, you're going to put your left foot on the line, okay? And then you're going to place your right foot in front of your left foot with the heel touching the toe, okay? You're going to place
Come on, let's get this over with so I can go home. I got the kid at home.
Okay, so left foot on the line, okay?
Yes, I hear you. So, 1, 2, 3. Like, this is fine?
Heel to toe steps.
3.
Hands by your side.
Like this is fine? I'm so cold.
The exercise you're gonna do is called the one leg stand.
Yes, what?
The one leg stand, okay? Just stay right there.
I was a cheerleader. Come on.
Okay.
What's up?
It's gonna be called the one leg stand. So you're gonna be able to choose whatever leg you want for this one.
Hello?
Can we
Sorry.
Can we hold on? Can we hang up the phone and do this right now?
Okay, hold on. Sorry, my daughter's crying. What's up?
Okay. Last exercise we're gonna do is the one leg stand. So you're gonna stand with your feet together, arms by your side.
Bro, my legs are shaking. What do you expect me to do?
This is the last exercise, okay?
Let's go.
Feet together, arms by your side. You're not gonna start until I tell you to do so. So don't do anything except keep your hands together, or hands by your side and feet together. Okay?
Where's my legs? Okay, what do you want to do?
All I told you to do is just keep the hands by your side and feet together. When I tell you to start, you're gonna raise either leg approximately 6 inches off the ground. Okay? You're gonna hold it. Alright. So you're gonna hold it parallel to the ground and keep it straight when your arms by your side.
Straight? I think like...
No. You see how my foot is above the ground?
Okay.
6 inches up above the ground. Okay? You're gonna count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 until I tell you to stop, okay?
1001, 1002,
Hands by your side. And you gotta look at your foot.
I get what?
You gotta look at your foot,
Okay,
hands by your
so
side.
look at my foot and count?
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1013, 1014, 1000. Bro, come on. 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021. Bro, come on. This is ridiculous.
Okay, you can stop.
Come on. Really? can check me. I don't care if y'all are male, bro.
We
Come
got
on.
we got plenty of female officers around to do that.
I'm good, bro. Check me. I don't care.
Right,
I'm giving authorization to you. I've been in the legal field. I'm going to school. I got a paralegal license.
That's awesome.
Yes. So y'all can check me. Yes. I want to get my own office.
Awesome.
So check me, please. I'm giving you authorization
There's plenty of female officers. So
but I don't want to wait for that. I just want to go home. I just want to go home.
I'll be out later.
How do I call? Let me get my phone.
The shit. I've been in the legal field. That's just stuff.
Well, we're just gonna call.
But because you're a male, you can't search me.
We're not gonna search you.
Why not? I give you authorization too.
Well, I'm not gonna do that. So.
Well, I like men. Come on, just search me.
What's your boyfriend?
Please come and pick up the car. That's a rental.
The car's gonna get towed, unfortunately.
Bro, I gotta pay rent on the first. Bro, please don't do that.
I have to, unfortunately.
Just call him.
Okay. What's his name?
Greg.
Greg. Okay.
Can I get a jacket or something?
You don't have a jacket. I don't have a jacket. So we already went through this. I'll turn up the heat whenever you get in the back of my car.
Wow, that just sounds very romantic. Can you tell him the firearm is in the center console?
I think he's gonna take care of that.
He grabbed my purse, though. He found my purse.
Grabbing the purse and grabbing it for you, so you can have that whenever you get released.
Bro, y'all can't search me. I just want to go already.
We're not gonna do that.
Why not? If I give you authorization to, come on. I just want to go.
I'm not gonna argue with you.
Bro, y'all can just search me. I say y'all can. Bro, I go to school for this shit. Why can't y'all search me?
You go to school for what?
I'm a paralegal right now. And I'm going to school for law. And y'all fucking my shit up right now.
I mean, we didn't do anything, so.
But because I couldn't say 1,010, like, come on.
No, it was a combination of all those exercises.
I'm cold. I'm shaking. You see me shaking right now? Okay. It's not because I'm nervous. I'm not nervous at all.
You're on speakerphone.
Babe. No, this is why. You know we got rented in a few fucking days. No, this is. Babe, no. No. I'm not crying because I'm a G. Bro, but this is not me. This is Taylor.
Can I just be okay? Leilani wants to say hi. Say you love you, mommy.
No.
Sweetheart, I understand. There's nothing we can do right now.
But what? How much? Bro, this is not it, babe. I don't want Lacey hiding me right now. Fuck no. Fuck no. Fuck no.
Just, Alexa.
Exactly. Are you gonna come pick up your shit or what? I told the guy that my money is in the back passenger seat, like in the like behind the passenger seat in the fucking back pocket. I have money back there from dancers in Orlando. I need all that money to come to you. Okay, I want them to because I don't want them going to SoCal because this shit coming to SoCal, babe. How are you gonna come to me tonight, babe?
I know it sucks right now, but it's gonna be okay.
Bro, call Tay, please. Call Tay. She'll get me out. Okay. I love you. I will. It'll be Seminole, so. And your gun's gonna be, your firearm's gonna be at by your house. Just walk and go get it, okay?
Okay, sweetheart.
Alright, I love you, baby.
I love you too. Can you please say I love you to Leilani?
I love you, Lele. I love you, baby. I see you, mommy. I love you, pumpkin. Like Polk County?
No, it's Seminole County. It's just called Johnny Polk.
Oh, word.
Okay. I'm just gonna have to count this in chunks, okay? So, yes, it was 479 dancers. Yeah, that's the place that she was at, dancers, and like, yeah.
And that, my friends, is a masterclass in how not to handle a traffic stop. From trying out dance moves instead of sobriety tests to offering a complimentary search to officers, this was one for the books. Moral of the story, if you're riding dirty, maybe keep the charm on low and focus on the road. Make sure to subscribe for more traffic stop drama, because there's always another story coming up that's stranger than fiction. See you next time.